My dear students, I'm going to teach you science of class 3. In the previous class, I had discussed about soil formation. The earth is a beautiful place to live in. There are hills and plains, deserts and mountains, dry land, and seas on earth. A variety of animals live here. Different types of plants grow on it. The earth was not always like this in the beginning. There was no life on earth. It was covered with hard rocks. The sun heated up the rocks, the rain cooled them, and the wind blew over them. This continued for millions of years. As a result, the rocks broke up into small pieces. The small pieces broke farther into smaller pieces. They were carried around by wind and water. The pieces rubbed against each other till they became tiny particles of soil. The action of the sun, the rain, and the wind broke up the rocks to make soil. It took millions of years for this to happen. Take samples of soil from the roadside, a playground, a garden, or a paddy field. While one sample may be light brown, the other may be dark brown or black. The third may be of yet another color. Different kinds of soil have different colors. Now observe each sample with a magnifying glass. You will see that different types of soil have particles of different sizes. Types of soil: sandy soil, clay soil, and loam are the three types of soil. Sandy soil is mostly found in the desert and on the seashore. Sand particles are big. There is a lot of air in the space between these particles. Sandy soil does not hold much water. That is that was all I taught in the previous class. And so I'm going to continue the next part of the chapter, precious soil. Types of soil. Clay soil is sticky and is mostly used for making pots and toys. Clay particles are very fine. There is no space for air between the particles. This soil can hold a lot of water. Loam is a mixture of sand and clay. It can hold both air and water. It has a lot of humus. Loam is the best soil for plants because it contains air, water, and humus. Humus makes the soil fertile. Soil and crops. Different types of crops grow in different types of soil. Some need sandy soil, while some need clay soil. Others need loam. Yet all types of crops grow better when manure is added. Manure contains cow dung and decaying leaves. Manure is added because it is rich in humus and it makes the soil fertile. Let us answer. A. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. Their action broke up the rocks to make soil. Options: A. Sun and rain. Option B. Rain and wind. C. Sun, rain, and wind. So you have to tick the correct option. Number 2. This soil is sticky and mostly used for making pots and toys. A. Sandy. B. Clay. C. Loam. Number 3. This makes the soil rich and fertile. A. Money. B. Humus. C. Heat. 4. This soil is best for plants. A. Sandy. B. Clay. C. Loam. B. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Different types of soils are clay soil, dash soil, and dash soil. Number 2. Soil contains dash, 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 and stones. Question answers. C. Answer these questions. How do rocks change to soil? Answer. The sun heats up the rocks, the rain cools them, and the wind blows over them. This process continues for millions of years. As a result, the rocks break up into small pieces. The small pieces break farther into smaller pieces. They're carried around by wind and water. The pieces rub against each other till they become tiny particles of soil. In this way, rocks change to soil. Question number 2. Is the size of the particles same in different types of soil? Explain. Answer. No, the size of the particles in the different types of soil are not same. In sandy soil, the sand particles are big, but in clay soil, clay particles are fine. Number 3. How will you show that soil contains moisture? Answer: I shall show that soil contains moisture by means of an activity. I shall put some soil in a small tin, cover it with a lid. With the help of an adult, I shall heat the tin on a low flame. After a little while, I shall open the lid. Finally, I shall notice drops of water on the lid, which is nothing but the presence of moisture in the soil. Number 4. What are the different kinds of soil? Answer: the different kinds of soil are sandy soil, clayey soil, and loam. Question number 5. Why do farmers add manure to the soil? Farmers add manure to the soil to make it rich in humus so that the soil becomes fertile. Thank you very much.